Hi everyone, today's topic is
Real feminism.
Gila kan tunggu sangat
Synchronize.
Ini doang yang suka ada gerakan tambahan. Seperti gerakan tambahan memilih Prabowo.
Yeah.
Oh, malu.
Iya. Terus apa?
Specifically about
Real feminism versus choice feminism.
Yes.
So,
Based on the video,
mari video panjang.
Iya.
let's
Wait.
just rangkum ini.
I think we need to go back to basics and look at what feminism actually means, because not only is this comment incorrect,
So the comment says, if you support feminism, you support women having autonomy and making their own choices.
but the sentiment is actually harmful to feminism. This
Nah,
comment is referring to something called choice feminism. Now, choice feminism is the belief that any choice that an individual makes, if that individual is a woman, is therefore a feminist choice.
so
We personally think that
that choice
choice
feminism
feminism
is
is not.
bad for the feminism movement.
it's
Yes.
actually not
Yeah.
cannot be called as feminism.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not part of the movement.
Yes.
Because the choice you make is part of the patriarchal society
System.
system.
It fits into the apa ya sebutannya, the process or the things that makes women be objectified and
Yeah.
used in a horrible way.
And became object,
Yes.
Yes.
which is very contradict
Mm.
with the feminism movement.
Yes.
And I personally think you cannot call it as part of the feminism movement because
Yes.
it's your own choices.
Yes.
You cannot represent all the feminists out there with your choice, bro.
Yes.
Yes.
That could actually harm any other women.
Yes. Yes.
Real.
So please take it as yours, as your statement. Don't take it as part of the movement gitu loh.
Yes.
Yes.
Take accountability.
Yes.
You're the one who said that, oh, my boyfriend is so great, my boyfriend is rich, he buys me everything, he handles everything, every single thing in my life.
Yeah.
Then that just means you're willingly,
To become his property.
yes, to become his investment.
Yes. Yes. Basically, it's objectifying.
Yes. Do you think having a good boyfriend or husband is apa ya, is an important thing in feminism? No.
But you're,
I mean, good for you.
yeah.
But like,
I mean, like at the end of the day, you're still your own person. Jadi you
Yes.
do whatever you want. Don't call it feminism.
feminism, yes.
Not everything that
Yeah.
are
Done by a
done
woman
by a woman
is
is
a
feminist.
feminist. Yes.
Movement.
is a feminist movement.
You know, you don't have to be a feminist if you want your life to be controlled by a man.
Yes, if you
You
want to
don't have
be
to call yourself.
male-centered,
Yes.
then just be
Yes,
male-centered.
just admit it. It's okay.
Yeah. We don't really give a fuck if you're
Yes.
being one. We don't really need you in our feminism.
Yes, yes. No,
Please, sorry, because that will harm our. Apa ya?
Our progress
Yes.
in fighting for women's rights.
Yeah, kayak apa ya? Kayak you can take the credit for something that we did, but if you done something bad because of your choice and because you call it as a feminist movement, we need to take the accountability too.
Yes.
And
because so many women has started to believe in that choice feminism thing. A lot of men starts to to think that it does exist and
Yeah.
all feminists are like that.
yeah.
They think-
became stereotype.
Yeah, it became a stereotype for a lot of women.
Itu yang sama kayak yang apa nggak sih, kayak the thing princess treatment things.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kan?
Men provide mindset.
yeah, male
Kayak,
provider.
ah,
Red.
Maksudnya
that is just bro.
if you want to go on a date atau enggak, if you want to date someone, jangan degrading apa ya,
Degrading yourself.
yourself
Yeah.
to
dengan
God.
bilang kamu nggak bisa bayar ini karena itu men should be the one
Providing.
Paying,
it,
yeah.
provide it.
Emangnya kamu nggak ada duit? I mean
That's embarrassing.
I don't think it's
Even
it's
Padahal-
good.
even if you have the money and you
Yeah.
can pay for it, or oh no, maksudku, even if the male one insisted
Mm.
on paying, I think you shouldn't
Iya.
take it for granted and say, oh my god, he's such a provider.
No.
He's my type of future husband, blah blah blah.
Kayak there's nothing wrong if you go on a date and then he chose to
Mm.
pay for you, but making it as a standard and
As a standard, and
Yeah.
then say it's
it should be
no.
their responsibility to
Iyo.
provide for
in
the
this
dad.
economy.
Yeah.
No. And call it as a, that is a feminist thing. That is what feminists actually fighting for. Like,
Yeah, that
no,
is-
we're not, bro.
Like calling it peak girlhood or something.
Yeah.
Mm.
But
No.
to be honest, kita nggak suka karena out of any man, woman, cuman karena kita rasa nggak enak juga sih kalau kita membebankan semua ke cowok dong. Ya,
Yeah.
That's just your people pleasure, man. Lu cuma kayak ya lu kalau lu nggak ditawarin buat bayar dan kayak I mean like imagine it's your first date or whatever kayak terus you expect them to pay for everything kayak ngapain anjir.
I mean like kalau masih first date, like kan masih you don't know what's going on, what's
kayak-
gonna
happen.
wait, what's
Lu
gonna happen in the
jalan kayak
future.
nggak bawa uang anjir.
Anjir.
Kata gua mah mending cari uang deh dulu. Kayak anjir. Makanya kayak,
Tapi ada juga loh yang kayak I expect the man to pay because I bring something to the table. I bring charisma. I bring
oh
I
iya,
bring
iya, yang kayak the
appearance,
aura,
yeah.
appearance
the
kayak,
funny one, the smart.
and then kayak yang I prepare for like like for the makeup.
I
and
dress
things.
cutely, blah
Yeah.
blah blah. Kayak, itu juga sama aja gak sih?
You're just being
For
self-centered kayak lu
Iya.
giving yourself as the prize.
Yeah, it's
just
like
in different.
objectifying
It's
aja.
just in different font
Yeah.
aja sebenarnya.
And
You're not any
people-
better, Jir.
And people trying to hate the Cassie in
Euphoria.
Euphoria.
for that. And if you have that kind of mindset, bro, you're not different with her.
Iya,
She's
anjir.
just being real, and you're just being in denial.
Yes.
Sumpah guys, kalian sebenarnya sama aja guys. Cuma kalian trying to be like apalah feminis, apa feminim aura,
Feminine
I don't know.
energy.
ya feminim energy. I just don't understand.
Girl.
Doesn't
Stand
look
up.
like I could care
I couldn't even care.
less.
Cuma Untungnya di aku PFYP udah kayaknya ada beberapa kali lewat orang yang kayak itu yang kayak criticize
Call
the
out.
kind of the kind of content kan ada tuh yang tuh di TikTok tuh memang nama konten yang memang kayak benar bringing the feminine energy lah, feminine aura, how to handle
3 cara untuk membuat dia terpikat.
kayak how to act to make a man come back, stay, and provide you. What the hell, bro?
Provide for yourself aja please.
I think you should get a job
Yes.
instead of watching that videos, bro. Makanya kayak we've come from like 19 things from the first feminist movement for the rights to vote, and then you go
anjir.
here
Yo, kayak
being male centered.
we go backwards anjir
Iya udah,
sekarang.
maksudnya kayak makanya agak apa ya? Aduh, entar sebut nama lagi gua. Remember that time yang tahun di kelas terus ngebahas tentang feminism, and then this lecture calling out the 20s feminism movement as something that already go far from the real issues from feminism. Kayak for some reason I hate it karena kayak as if he underestimate the movement, kayak that is just something that not really important, but at the same time also kayak ngena juga karena at the kayak reality emang banyak yang kayak udah kayak nggak berakar dari
the main
the main movement gitu loh, kayak apa sih sebenarnya yang pengen dicapai dari feminism gitu loh, karena terlalu banyak pergeseran makna gitu loh, karena udah banyak feminism yang radikal, liberal and so on, jadi kayak makanya kayak orang-orang tuh jadi stereotype kayak feminism gini doang gini, padahal there's a lot of apa ya aspek yang orang-orang angkat dari akar dari feminism gitu loh.
I think kayak they're just missing the whole context gitu loh, kayak asal-asal
Iya, karena
Apa
terlalu
dong?
banyak
stereotyping.
media source of itu media yang kayak somehow digeser makin hari makin digeser kan. Dan mereka cuma trying to find the easiest one to access, dan kayak udah satu doang kayak langsung they believe
Anjir.
this is the feminist gitu loh, padahal mending baca buku.
Do your research.
Iya, dan bener-bener kayak if you really curious kayak what's going on, ya make a proper research gitu loh, nggak usah cari di Google dan pakai AI. Kesel gue yang lihat video TikTok yang
Ya, anjir. Dan kayak mostly juga ini in general juga sih, kayak a lot of people use terms that apa ya, they don't really understand the whole meaning, cuman they already use it in a wrong way.
ya.
I hate.
Dan kayak the way apa ya, kayak there are women out there yang kayak saying I'm not a feminist because of this blah blah blah, blah. Like
Yeah, because feminists
is
only
do
center
the
around
radical
women,
things
yeah.
gitu, padahal
They don't make men important too, blah blah blah.
ya as if kayak kita degrading man or any other gender gitu. Kayak
Bro, do you even know why feminists
exist
in the first place?
makanya kayak gitu loh, yang kayak kenapa mereka cepet banget buat ngejudge sesuatu about feminism
Because they don't do their research.
without
They
doing
don't know
the proper
anything,
research gitu. Kayak you don't even know what is actually feminism means, then you choose to, dan kayak for you being a woman then lu
Say
state
that you're
kind
not
of,
a feminist.
iya kayak bro, we cannot help but fighting for your rights too, tapi kayak you're
Kalau kayak
here
gini,
throwing kayak lemparin sampah di muka kita yang berusaha buat mensejahterakan diri lu juga gitu, kayak tai juga lu anjing. Jadi ganti gender lu sekarang jadi laki-laki dah. Dan kita udah kita lepas dulu, nggak usah kita ngusain
and not
your
our
rights.
responsibility.
Iya udah not our responsibility lagi itu. Masalahnya yang buat gue tuh kayak you're still a woman gitu loh. Dan bisa-bisanya lu berpikir seperti itu, sementara kita di sini mengusahakan kalau lo tuh bisa membuat banyak pilihan gitu loh, nggak limited by the second gender, bro. Crazy.
Duh,
Siapa
ini
ya?
lah.
Aku udah lihat. Jangan bilang.
I know one name.
Yeah,
We
me
know
too.
And we're not gonna say anything about her. Let's just keep it as a private matters.
Soalnya I feel like that person only look at the feminism from the wrong lens.
Yeah, I mean, read something about feminism from a man perspective is something really, really,
Yeah,
really, really unnecessary.
supporting a male author who writes about women.
That's crazy, bro.
Damn. Apa lagi bang?
I hope she realized.
What do you think about men?
Man. In what way?
I don't know, in whatever way.
Gimana ya mau bilang? Ya men no. Like women.
Boring.
Emang kalian gimana?
Gak mau nanti
Iya.
contek.
Hah? Contek?
Enggak, aku mau respon aja. Enggak mau contek.
Ya nggak mau. Aku tugas aku yang merespon karena aku kan yang nanya.
Ah,
You're just another question lah if you want
Iya.
us to.
Kalau gitu come up with another topic.
Yes.
Oh ini ya. Tuh sepakat.
Oh my god.
I feel like orang yang pakai sepakat miss the whole point kayak buat orang.
Mad about it.
Iyo.
Hmm.
Dan kita rasa sepakat yang bilang sepakat pertama kali pada Najwa Shihab. Siapa namanya?
I don't even bother to remember anjir.
Mar, aku rasa dia bilang sepakat pas kita nonton ada piano. Dia
Ini.
bilang sepakat in a genuine way. Mar, nilang yang
Yeah.
lain-lain pakai sepakat just to shut us up.
Shut woman up. Iya iya.
Goblok. And then pas mau
Aku
dijelasin
aku pernah lihat komennya no kayak you miss the whole point dan kayak geserin makna sepakatnya karena kalian cuma gunain itu buat nguntungin
Iya.
your own apa aja, ego aja gitu loh, kayak oh we can use it to shut the women opinion gitu loh.
As if their opinion is the golden one.
Yeah.
You don't even give one, bro.
Iyo.
You just choose to shut us up because you can't even stand up for yourself. You can't even argue, Jir.
Yes.
Iya anjir. Kayak the pattern is there gitu loh. Kayak ya udah, it's always the some kayak just a words gitu loh. Karena you can come up with a proper statement gitu loh.
I also hate pas misalnya orang pakai tuh perdebatan sepakat, kung dorang mulai debat tentang kayak selalu cewek yang mulai gender war. Kayak that's not our point for mau Protes
Protes.
kata sepakat
Yeah.
anjir.
I think a lot of Indonesian males specifically don't really know or realize how much patriarchy system affects us
Iya.
so badly because you're not in the receiving end, anjir.
Yeah.
And I think ini kayak menurut kita lah ya, kayak it's just my opinion. I think that's also because we're all very religious, and those kind of things already been feeded to us in our religion, ajaran agama orang in this country. So that's why they don't bother to question is this right or wrong, because
Correct.
it's always correct to them.
Yes.
Iya, makanya aku pernah lihat juga, makanya we cannot moving forward to be a better country if we still being a religious country.
Like
Being called like a
extremely religious.
Yeah, because kayak and most of our people's just
Schizo anjir.
real or like I don't understand. Like,
Choose to be blind anjir.
I think you're so stupid. Oh my god.
I hate those type of people.
Yeah, aduh. I want to get off this country if I survive. But pikir
I'm saying it with a cross in my car. I'm a better religious person than you.
yes.
I am religious, but I also have empathy and understanding and an
Yes.
open mind.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm more educated.
Yes.
We are more educated.
Yes.
Takut.
We don't throw hate by bring up any religious statement. With it. Kayak,
Yeah.
bro, that is not something that a good person would do.
Yes.
So if you're starting to giving hate. to
Hate.
people by like calling it as a like you're trying to correct them and bring them to a right way, a right path. No, you're not God.
Yes. That's their business, not yours.
Yeah. Lagian, kayak apa ya, orang tuh nggak bisa memikirkan sesimpel kayak kalaupun mereka masuk neraka sendiri, nggak bawa lu bersama mereka.
Iya, anjir.
Ngapain lu musingin hidup religious mereka, anjir? Just be a good person, bro.
Preach.
Unfinish my kopi kenangan.
Aku ada dari tadi. Dia belum.
What
the
bisa ampas?
Tapi kamu pemaca tadi warnanya bagus.
Oh iya. I
Not like
don't really
dark-
see
itu-
what's different.
dark green banget.
Oh iya.
Biasanya kan kalau di mantos dia lihat light green.
Iya sih.
Why did you compare it with Mantos, bro?
Mantos.
Of course it will be bad.
Nggak enak kopkennya.
Yes.
Yes, we agree.
We already tried the whole menu.
Not really, but
I love exaggerating.
oh, because my head is Karaoke yuk.
Oke, apa?
Yuk.
Matiin dulu.